Right guys, the day has finally come. It's day one of the Veterans Banger Rally. We've already made the trip from Scotland to Dover. We've arrived here. I'm filming inside the car because the weather's pretty miserable outside and we're just about to go in for our briefing. Hopefully the weather will clear up a little bit after the briefing. I can show you some of the cars and we'll be boarding the ferry at 9:55 I think. So this is it guys, this is the start of it. Stay tuned, we're going to have an adventure. Let's get in and get this briefing done.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kay. Happy birthday to you. Right, birthday. Now we're going to give you the bumps now. You won't take long on it. Normally it's about 20 minutes to get through. We're now looking at about 40 minutes to get through. A couple of things they've asked me to say.
Right guys, that's us left the hotel car park to make our way around to the ferry port. And we've even got a police escort. There's a whole group of us just heading through the docks now and we'll be on the ferry terminal in a couple of minutes. But yeah, I wasn't expecting a police escort, but there they are, up the front, escorting the whole rally into the docks. Quite a few people have been out to see us, quite a few people have spoke to us. We've got the Trabant in front of us. We decided would be best just staying behind that, because if anything's going to break it'll probably be that. Looks like he's struggling to get a gear there now. There we go, he's away. Right guys, that's us on the ferry. We're halfway across to France. There's not a lot we can do at the moment, so I'm going to take a minute to tell you about the new Infinity Wax mystery box that's coming out on the 27th of September. So 2 minutes, watch this quick video and we'll see you in a minute.
Listen up. The next highly anticipated mystery box from Infinity Wax is just about to be launched. But what's the deal? Why do people go so crazy for these? Well, let me explain. First off, there are only a limited number, and usually they sell out within the first 30 minutes or so. Then you have the content of each box. 9 items worth an average of £80, but only costs you $39.99. But that's not the best part. These boxes contain new, unreleased, and special editions that you cannot buy anywhere else. And Mystery Box 13 is no different. This time around we have 3 brand new Infinity Wax products, plus a bonus item that will never go on sale, on top of the 5 other items and accessories. So if you like to be the first to get new stuff, then don't sleep on this one. See you on the 27th September at 7 p.m. over at infinitywax.com.
As you can see guys, the next installment of the Infinity Wax mystery box is coming out on the 27th of September. And take it from me, I've spoke to Michael, I know what's in it, it's well worth buying. There's like 80-90 quid's worth of stuff in it and you get it for $39.99. So jump on the link below, grab yourself the mystery box, you won't be disappointed. It's got 3 new products plus 1 product that's never going to be released again, so you'll be the only people who have it. I think there's 1,000 mystery boxes and they tend to sell out within the first half hour, so make sure you're on there quick and get it done. I'm going to go back to playing games. We'll see you when we land in France. Right guys, we've officially arrived in France. The weather's great. The Blantyre is officially on French soil and we're heading to our first stop, Rouen. Some of the guys have already went up to Dunkirk, but I think most of the reliable cars are going up there. So I'm going to go straight to Rouen, where a lot of the questionable cars are headed. So we'll see you there. We'll probably stop along the way. It's a 2 hour 40-minute drive. So hopefully we'll get a nice couple of stops. We'll see some nice places. And we need to get some lunch as well because I'm hungry. Right guys, we've arrived at our first stop in Rouen. And I know me and Charlie are the mechanical support for this rally, but I didn't expect the first car to be jacked up to be mine. The Micra is bothering me with an intermittent sticky caliper again. So I've got it all stripped down and it turns out that this bottom slide was absolutely sea solid. So I've freed it off. I've got a bit of 1040 oil on it because I didn't have any grease. So we'll find a service station that's got some grease in the morning. And yeah, that should be it back on the road now, but just every now and again it would just start to bite and it would heat up and you could smell it and it would hold me back on the hills. But yeah, hopefully that'll be it sorted and we can carry on as normal. On the other hand, we've got Team 550 next to us. This is Stephen, you've seen this on a video before, the Mini A-Team van. And Callum's gone round with black spray paint and just spray painting everything. He's done the wheels, he's done... I thought you were going to mask the grill up.
Nope.
Right, so I even gave them masking tape to mask the grill up and he's just went for it. That, look at the runs. Like, that's absolute savage. And his excuse is it's not his car. But staying at this hotel with us, we've also got John the organiser. I think we need to put some home built stickers on John's car because he's not got any on there yet. So let's grab a couple of stickers before I put this wheel back on and we'll decorate his car a little bit. Right, we're all back together, wheels on, calipers free, hopefully it stays free the now. Charlie's just fitting Stephen's, well, it's supposed to be a bumper bar. It looks like it might be off a kid's toy. Where did you get it from?
eBay, obviously.
eBay. It's a Wish bumper bar. But anyway, it's a bit of fun, so Charlie's decided to drill the holes in it and get it fitted. Because Callum gave up. It took more than 2 minutes of effort and Callum gave up, so that grill looks an absolute state.
They are.
Anyway, look at the mess of that. John the organiser in there, he's making a chilli. I don't know if he's making enough for everybody.
No, he's not.
There he is, look.
Come on, have a look.
John's got a full cookout rig in the back of this, I think. Look at this. Rice as well, or noodles.
Noodles. Nice bit of noodles. Can't beat it.
It's well stocked
Right.
up.
Yeah.
Got some pot noodles in there as well.
Yeah. Why pay for a full meal?
Exactly.
Cook it yourself for less than £1.
And then you can spend all your spare money on beer.
I'm not allowed spare money. I'm married.
Right, I'll leave you to your chilli.
Thank you very much.
We actually need to go and find somewhere to eat because I don't have a cooker with me. So I think we're going to fit this bumper bar and then go and get some food.
Anybody that wants to go,
How many points do I get for this?
No, we all get points.
we all
You
get
none.
points.
If you think
Go on,
I'm
get the
worth-
video.
If you think I'm worth this, all
I'll
right.
even let you throw them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
you get one.
If you score any points,
go-
you're
I'll
back
do
to the
it.
next round. If you score
100
any
points.
points at all, you're back to the
50,
next round.
50 and 100 points. I've got it in the drink. Oh, yay! That's 100. Go on, give me them two again. Just 100. We'll write you up for 100.
Right guys, it's the morning of day 2. We're just getting ready to leave, but there's been some random acts of vandalism. All the cars have been attacked. Stephen's car's now got the Z team written on it.
Oh, it was worse than that.
It was worse than that. There was cable ties stuck to it. There's silly string on the top of it. Somebody sprayed the top of my car. I've got silly string all over the bonnet. We've also got some tinsel. I've already removed some questionable stickers that I deemed inappropriate. So I had cable ties on my wheels, all sorts of stuff. John, the organiser, somebody tried to steal his fuel. They've silly stringed his car, and they've even painted one wheel black and left the rest of them.
Painted one grill as well.
Yeah, they painted a grill.
With a sticker on.
Oh, who painted the grill?
Whoever put the sticker on.
Yeah, somebody's painted the grill on the car.
Oh, they painted the grill as well.
Yeah, it's time to find a pressure washer and get to the starting point for day 2 of the rally, so let's go.
There are 2 routes today that you can take. One will take you via Le Mans, the other one will take you round. So if you want to go to Le Mans, cracking place, ideal to get some photos, even if it's just right outside the track gate. You've done it before, it's good. You've got a little bit of spare time there, you've got a brilliant museum there as well. So well worth it.
Right guys, that's it, we're heading down to Le Mans, so we'll have a stop there. But you have to watch that in the next video. This is the end of video 1. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and follow us to keep up with the rest of the rally content, and we'll see you next time.